couple of Bowling Green Falcons earning CCHA honors thanks to their performances over the weekend. Falcon freshman duo Christian Stover and Austin Swankler named League Goalie and Rookie of the Week. Stover was in net for nearly 4 periods in BG's 2 games against Ferris State. Northville, Michigan native 11 saves in the 3rd period on Friday and stopped a career-high 41 shots on Saturday, including 18 in the 3rd period. Fellow first-year forward Austin Swankler, Rookie of the Week, thanks to his 4 points on 3 assists and a goal.
For both of those guys to be recognized is really good for them. Says that they individually had a good weekend, and we had an okay weekend, I would say. Anytime you don't win at home, you're not happy. But for those guys, it's nice to see anybody recognized within our program. That's always a positive. In a perfect world, you don't ever want your goalie to have a perfect day, or a career day. We've had a couple of them this year with our guys, and so ultimately what we want is to have our goaltender play well. And so he did a nice job, and good for him, because it was in a spot where, coming off of a Friday loss at home, pretty not a make or break game or anything like that, but an important game in terms of our mentality and our attitude and how we're feeling coming into this week, and then obviously conference standing. So it was very nice to see him play the way he played.
Stover, Swankler, and the Falcons back in action Thursday and Friday, home and home with the 17th ranked Ohio State Buckeyes.